So I was having a conversation with my love, and I was telling you about a story that happened like years ago in college, where these guys came back from like a conference in Utah, and I guess they met some like polys there, and they asked me, they're like, "Hey, aren't you from the islands?" And I was like, "Well, I'm Samoan," and they're like, "Oh, don't you mean Sāmoan?" And I was like, "No, I mean Samoan, because Samoan's an English word." And it's just funny, over the years I kind of adopted the Samoan because that's how you say Samoa. But as I was having a conversation with my one of my students about this too, he's like, "Man, you got a point." I was like, "I know, right?" So I don't know, just think about going back to just saying Samoan. What do you guys think? Just if you guys have any opinions on this. Also, he brought up another point about the a tag team in WWE, about their names, the Usos. And putting the S on the end of that seems kind of weird, and it is kind of weird because we don't make things plural like that. So maybe your thoughts on that too. So yeah, that's all.